National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses the installation of electrical equipment in various environments. Article 409.2 focuses on providing safety measures to prevent accidental contact with live electrical parts. It states that enclosed live parts that are subject to accidental contact, where applicable, shall be provided with a guardrail, guard cover, or other suitable means to prevent accidental contact. This means that any electrical equipment with exposed live parts must be protected to prevent unintentional contact, reducing the risk of electrical shock or injury. Article 409.120b broadens the scope by stating that an industrial occupant is not covered by Article 500 through 504. Installations of electrical equipment shall comply with the provisions of this article. Article 500 through 504 covers hazardous locations, so if your industrial occupancy is not classified as such, you still need to adhere to the electrical equipment installation guidelines outlined in Article 409.120b. Article 501.1 further clarifies what constitutes an industrial occupancy. It defines it as that which is not classified as residential, commercial, institutional, or assembly. This definition is important because it helps to distinguish between different types of occupancies and ensures that the appropriate electrical codes and standards are applied to each. Based on these NEC requirements, a regular computer designed for home use should not be installed in a control cabinet with 460 volts power. Home computers are not built to withstand the demanding conditions often found in industrial settings. These conditions can include extreme temperatures, high levels of dust, and significant vibration. The lack of resilience in a home computer makes it unsuitable for these environments. Furthermore, regular computers typically do not have the necessary enclosures to prevent accidental contact with live electrical components. This poses a safety hazard for anyone working around the control cabinet. While the NEC doesn't explicitly mandate NEMA ratings, they are an industry standard. NEMA ratings indicate that an enclosure is suitable for a specific environment. Different NEMA ratings offer varying levels of protection against environmental factors. Let's look at a few examples. Firstly, NEMA 1 are general purpose enclosures for indoor use. Secondly, NEMA 4 are waterproof and dust-tight enclosures for outdoor use. Thirdly, NEMA 12 are industrial-grade enclosures for use in dusty or corrosive environments. The company's concern about using a regular computer in a 460 volts control cabinet is valid. It is justified by both NEC code requirements and established industry standards. An industrial computer is specifically engineered to withstand harsh industrial environments. It is typically designed to meet NEMA 4 or NEMA 12 standards, providing the necessary protection and safety for this type of application. Using an industrial computer is crucial for ensuring reliability, safety, and compliance with regulations in industrial control systems. This type of computer is built to perform consistently in demanding conditions.